Good morning, dear student. Welcome to the math session, that is lesson number first, rational and irrational numbers. Rational and irrational numbers. Practice set number 1.1. Question number first, show the following numbers on a number line. This is the following numbers are there. Show the following numbers on a number line. Draw a separate number line for each example. Each example we will draw a separate line. Each example we will draw a separate line. First question. This is the first question. First question we have, last class we have already done the first question. That is 3 upon 2, comma 5 upon 2. Comma minus 3 upon 2. Now we are going to discuss about second question. Which is the second question? 7 upon 5. 7 is numerator and 5 is the denominator. Comma minus 2 is numerator upon 5 is the denominator. Okay. Next, minus 4 is numerator and 5 minus 4 is numerator and 5 is denominator. Here the denominator is given. Denominator is 5. Here the denominator is given. Here the denominator. Here the denominator. Here the denominator is same. That purpose we will write 5. That purpose we will write 5. Here the denominator. Here the denominator is 5. Here the denominator is 5. Okay. In number on a number line, in right hand side, this is the right hand side and this is the left hand side. Right hand side means right hand side values are always positive. Right hand side values always positive. Left hand side value is always negative. Here 0 less value is negative value and 0 greater value is positive value. Now here first of all I will write this is 1 and this one is 2. Okay. Here the denominator is given. Here the denominator is how much? 5. Denominator is 5. Therefore, here the denominator 5 means the every two consecutive number. Consecutive means same. Consecutive means same. Every two consecutive means the difference between every two number is same. That means 0 to 1 and 1 to also same. That means here the denominator is given. How much? 5. The difference between 0 to 1 is 5 units. How many units? There are 5 units are the difference between 0 to 1 is 5 units. 5 units. Now, first of all, I will put first point. This is 1. We will leave 0. We will leave 0. 1, 0. This is we will leave 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one is 5. Therefore, the difference between two numbers are two consecutive numbers. That means consecutive means same. The difference between two numbers is 0 to 1 is that is 5 units. Here the denominator is given how much? 5. The difference between 0 to 1 is also 5 units. 5 units. And next, the difference between 1 to 2 also. What? 5 units. Why we are taking 5 units? Because here the denominator is given 5. Here the denominator is how much? That is 5. That purpose we will write every two numbers are the difference between every two number is 5. The difference between every two number is 5. Here also we will leave 1. Now we will write or we will point out this units. This is first unit, second unit, third unit, fourth unit, and this is the fifth unit. We will leave 1. Now this one is 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit. The difference between 1 to 2, the difference between every two number is 5 units. Every two number is 5 units. How much? 5 units. Next, in left hand side. Left hand side is always negative value. Left hand side is always negative value. 0 less value. 0 less value is negative value. 0 less value is negative value. Here also, now we will put 1 and this one is 2. The difference between 0 to 1, here left hand side means left hand side is always negative value. Therefore, now we write minus 1 this one and this is minus 2. The difference between 0 to 1 or the difference between every two numbers and the difference between two numbers is given. How much? Here the denominator is given 5, that is the difference between two number is 5. The difference between every two number is 5. Therefore, now we will leave 0. This is 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, and this one is 5 unit. The difference between two numbers, every two numbers is how many units? The given here the denominator is 5 is the difference between every two number is 5 units. 5 units. Next, the difference between minus 1 to 2 minus 2. Here the denominator is given how much? 5. Therefore, now we will write this is 1 unit, this is 2 unit, and this is 3 unit, and this is 4 unit, and last one is 5 unit. The difference between every two number is 5 units. Here now we will leave minus 1. This is 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point. This one is 5 point. Okay. Next, here now we will write here the denominator is given how much? 5. 0 upon 5. The denominator is 0 upon 5. Here the denominator is given 5. This is 1 unit means this is 1 point means 1 as it is upon denominator is 5. This is 2. 2 unit means this is 2 as it is upon denominator is 5. Here 3 unit means denominator is 5. Denominator is 5. Here 4 unit means this is a 4 unit upon denominator is given 5 as it is. Now we write as it is 5. Here 5 unit means now we will write 5 as it is. The denominator is given 5. Here this is the 6 unit. 6 means the denominator is given 5 unit. This is 7 unit. 7 means upon denominator is given 5 units. Okay. Next, here this is 8 unit. 8 upon denominator is given 5. Next, this one is 9 unit. 9 means 9 upon here the denominator is given 5 units. Here this one 2. The number point 2 is 10 point. 10 means upon 5 is given here the denominator is 5. In left hand side also. In left hand side also. Here this is the first point. First means this point is in left hand side. Now we are taking in left hand side always value is negative value. This is minus 1 upon 5. Here, this is second point means minus 2 upon 5. This is third point means this is minus 3 point, this is minus 1 upon 5. This is minus 2 upon 5. This is minus 3 upon 5. Okay. Here, this fourth point means minus 4 upon 5. This is fifth point means this one. This is fifth point means minus 5 upon 5. Minus 5 upon 5. Why are taking minus 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4? Because of the number on left hand side is always negative value. That purpose we will write the negative value. Here, this is 6 point, negative 6, minus 6 upon. Why we are taking 5 denominator is here, the denominator is given 5. That purpose we will write the 5. Here also, this is the 7 point, minus 7 upon 5. This is the 8 point, minus 8 as it is. The denominator is 5 units. Here, this is 9 point. This is minus 9 upon 5. The denominator is given 5. Here, this one is minus 10 point. Denominator is 5. Now, here, now we will show 7 upon 5 on the number line. 7 upon 5, first of all, 7 upon 5 is positive or negative? 7 is positive. Positive, that means now we are going to right hand side. Right hand side. 0 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5, 5 upon 5, 6 upon 5 and 7 upon 5. Now we will show 7 upon 5 on a number line. This is a 7 upon 5. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a 7 point. 7 upon 5. To show 7 upon 5 on a number line means this is a 7 upon 5 on a number line. Okay, next is minus 2 upon 5. Minus 2 upon 5. Minus means in left hand side. Minus 2 is on left hand side. 0 less value is negative value. 0 less value is negative value. Therefore, now we are going to left hand side. Here, minus 2 upon 5. This is 0 upon 5 as it is. This is minus 1 upon 5. This is minus 2 upon 5 is, this one is minus 2 upon 5. This one is minus 2 upon 5. Next, minus 4 upon 5 to show on a number line. Minus 4 upon 5 to show on a number line. Now, minus 4 is in left hand side. Why we are taking the minus 4 is on left hand side? Because they are left in left hands on a left hand side. The value always negative. The left hand side is always negative value. 0 less value is negative value. Therefore, 0 as it is, 0 upon 5 as it is, minus 1 upon 5 as it is, minus 2 upon 5 as it is, minus 3 upon 5, minus 4 upon 5. This is a minus 4 upon 5. This is a minus 4 upon 5 on a number line. Question number 3 is homework. Minus 5 upon 8, 11 upon 8. Now, we are going to discuss about fourth question or fourth sum, 13 upon 10, minus 17 upon 10. Here, this is 13 is numerator and this one is denominator. This one is denominator. Here, numerator and this one is denominator. Okay. 0 is the midpoint. 0 is the midpoint. 0 is the midpoint. Right hand side, on right hand side, positive value. Right hand side is positive value and left hand side is negative value. This is the left hand side is negative value. Here the denominator is given. Here the denominator is given. Here the denominator is how much? That is 10. That is 10. Okay. Here now this one is, now we are taking this one is midpoint. This is 1 and this one is 2. Here the difference between 0 to 1 are the difference between every two number. The difference between every two number is given. How much? Here the denominator is 10, means the difference between every two numbers 0 to 1 and 1 to 2 also. Here 0 to 1 and 1 to 2 also is same. That means consecutive, means here the denominator is given, means the difference between two number is 10 units. The difference between two number is 10 units. 0 to 1 and 1 to also 10 units. Here in left hand side also 0 to minus 1, this one minus 1. 0 to minus 1 is also and 10 units. 0 to minus 1 also 10 units, and minus 1 to minus 2 also 10 units. Here first of all we will leave 0. This is 1 point or 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit, 6 unit, 7 unit, 8 unit, 9 unit. This is last one, 10 unit. 10 unit. The difference between every two numbers, is given here. The denominator is 10, means here also 10 units. The difference between every two number is 10 units. Why we are taking 10 units means here the denominator is given 10 units. That purpose now we will take 10 units. The difference between 1 to 2, we will leave 1. This point is we will leave. This is 1 is 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point or 4 units, 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit, 6 unit, 7 unit, 8 unit, 9 unit. This is the last one, 10 units. The difference between 1 to 2, are also how much units? 10 units. 10 units. Next, in left hand side, the difference between 0 to minus 1 is also how much? Here the denominator is given 10, means now we are taking the difference between 0 to minus 1 also 10 units. This is 1 unit, this is 2 unit, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units, 7 units, 8 units, 9 units, and last one, this is 10 units. The difference between two numbers, that means 0 to minus 1 is also how much? 10 units. 10 units. 10 units. Next, the difference between minus 1 to minus 2. How many units? Here also, now we are taking 10 units because the denominator is given 10 units, means the difference between every two number is 10 units. How much? 10 units. This is the 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit, 6 unit, 7 unit, 8 unit, 9 unit, and this one is last one, 10 unit. The difference between The difference between every two number, -1 to -2 and -1 to 0 and 0 to 1 and 1 to 2 is also 10 units. How many units? 10 units. Now, to show 13 upon 10 on the number, on this number line, and -17 upon 10 on this number line. First of all, 13 upon 10. 13 upon 10 means positive number. 13 upon 10 is positive number. Now, we will see positive on which side? That is right hand side. This is 0 upon 10. This one is 0 upon 10. 1 unit means 1 upon 10. 2 unit means 2 upon 10. 3 unit means 3 upon 10. Why we are taking upon 10? Because here the denominator is given 10. That purpose we are taking. Now we will take 3 upon 10. Here also 4 unit. That means upon denominator is given 10. And next this one is 5 unit upon 10. This is one 6 unit upon 10. This is 7th unit. 7th unit means 7 upon 10. This is 8 unit. 8 unit means 8 upon 10. Next, here 9 unit means 9 upon 10. Here 10 unit means 10 upon 10. Here 11 upon 10. Why we are taking 11 unit? Next, 12 upon 10. This one is 13 unit. 13 upon 10. Next, this one is 14. 14 upon 10. And this one is 15 unit. 15 upon 10. And this one is 16. 16 upon 10. This one is 17. This is 17 upon 10. Here, this one is 18. 18 upon 10. And this one is 19 upon 10. Next, last one is 20 upon 10. Here, first of all, to show 13 upon 10 on a number line means here 0 upon 10, 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 3 upon 10, 4 upon 10, 4 unit means 4 upon 10. Here 1 unit means 1 upon 10. 1 as it is, upon 10 means denominator. Here 2 units means 2 upon 10 means denominator. 3 means 3 is the unit means this is 3 units and 3 upon 10 means here the denominator. And next 4 unit, 4 upon 10 units. 5 means 5 upon 10 means denominator is 10. 10 means here the given denominator. 6 unit, 6 as it is, 6 unit as it is upon 10 is the denominator. 7 unit, 7 upon 10 means the denominator is 10. 8 upon 10. Next 9 upon 10. Now we will show 13 upon 10 on a number line. On a number line, that means this is here 7 upon 10, 8 upon 10, 9 upon 10, 10 upon 10, 11 upon 10, 12 upon 10. This one is 13 upon 10. 13 upon 10. Next, on left hand side. On left hand side. Left hand side is always negative value. Left hand side is always negative value. This is the -1. That means 1 point means or 1 unit means -1 upon 10. Here the denominator is 10. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5th unit, 6th unit, 7 unit, 8 unit, 9 unit. Next, this is the 10 unit. The next, 11 unit, 12 unit, 13 unit, 14 unit. This one 15 unit. This one 16 unit, 17 unit, minus 18 unit. This one 19 unit. This one 20 upon 10 units. Okay. On left hand side always negative value. Here the denominator is given 10, minus 1 upon 10, minus 2 upon 10, minus 3 upon 10, minus 4 upon 10, minus 5 upon 10, minus 6 upon 10, minus 7 upon 10, minus 8 upon 10, minus 9 upon 10, minus 10 upon 10, minus 11 upon 10, minus 12 upon 10, minus 13 upon 10, minus 14 upon 10, minus 15 upon 10, minus 16 upon 10, minus 17 upon 10, and minus 18 upon 10. This one is minus 19 upon 10, and this one is minus 20 upon 10. Okay, next, now we will show minus 17 upon 10 on the number line. Minus 17 is negative value. Negative value we will see on left hand side. Okay, first of all, minus 1 upon 10, minus 2 upon 10, minus 3 upon 10, minus 4 upon 10, minus 5 upon 10, minus 6 upon 10, minus 7 upon 10, minus 8 upon 10, minus 9 upon 10, minus 10 upon 10, minus 11 upon 10, minus 12 upon 10, minus 13 upon 10, minus 14 upon 10, minus 15 upon 10, minus 16 upon 10. This one is minus 17 upon 10. This one is minus 17 upon 10. This one is minus 17 upon 10.